guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay. Yay. You all, today we're back again with another hair and makeup transformation video. You guys know that's what we do here. We transform, okay?
This is not my real face.
This is not our real face. This is my real face. Maybe not my real face, but this is my semi-real face, guys. Yeah. So you all, today I'm going to be transforming her. Okay, so we're doing her hair and makeup. Her name is Eba. Okay, it's not Eba. Don't say Eba.
It's not Eba. It's not pandit.
It's not pandit. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, her name is Eba, and yeah, she's my partner, guys. Partner in business and in crime. Gossip partner. Okay, so she brings the gist. International. Yeah, she bring the gist to me. Even when I don't hear them, she's just gonna bring them to me raw. Okay. Yeah. So we're gonna have a YouTube channel where we'll be gossiping, of course. Yeah, isn't it?
Very important.
Very important. I'm gonna bring the gist to you guys like that. So guys, the hair that we're using today for a ponytail hair, okay, her hair is relaxed, guys. Team Natural,
Biko.
Please, so we are begging. Yeah. But yeah, her hair is relaxed. I'll be doing the ponytail style with this hair. Girl, show them. Elemo hair. Okay, so it's a ponytail style. Look at that. It's a ponytail, like you can just use this for the ponytail. Look at that. So you clip that and you just roll. You just kind of wrap this around. Okay. So that's what we're going to be using. I don't know what inches this is again. I forgot. I'm going to put that in the description box. Okay. So link to Elemo hair is going to be in the description box as well. So yes, girl, we're going to be trying out this hair. I'm going to be showing you guys if it's going to be popping or not. But this hair better pop because my girl is ready. It's
not my real face yet. It's not my real face.
Her real face is coming. Her real face is coming, guys. Okay, and she want to pop, so this hair better pop. Okay. And the makeup I'll be doing on her, guys, I don't know yet, but yes, I'm gonna do something popping. Okay. Yes, we're gonna be back, and by the time we come back, we're gonna be starting the process. Okay. See you guys soon. Oh God, like, let me try to do that. Okay, so now we're gonna put you. Yes, so guys, I part the hair in half like so. For
hair ready?
Yeah, when do you want to pick it up?
I'm coming tomorrow. Are you going church?
Not sure. I'm not sure yet. See where it is.
What?
Here, the ponytail.
Okay.
Is it high enough?
Yeah, I think it should be fine.
Okay.
It's nice to be on the other side.
Oh dear.
You know?
Yeah.
Always working and taking care of everyone else.
It's true.
And not taking care of yourself.
So guys, this is wax from Got to Be. There's so many ones, but this is the one we have in the UK. You know. This is what we have. It's a shame. You know, American, they have a lot of hair product than we do here.
Yeah, they have everything. I didn't realize like all the work until the other day I stayed with you and I saw all the behind the scenes. Oh my God, the Instagram, the updates, the group chat.
It's a lot, isn't it?
I'm like, okay, I'll put this one off. Not becoming a YouTuber anytime soon.
But we're going to do our gossip channel though, girl.
Yeah, we have to do this gossip channel because I have too much gist.
Yeah.
I can't keep it inside me.
We have to be gisting.
I'll be African, Wendy Williams, Nigerian celebrities, you're finished. Ghanaians, you're finished.
Yeah. We can bring the gist.
Yeah.
Down to people that don't sleep on the internet.
How are we gonna call it? Is it African Wendy Williams? How you doing?
We'll find our own title, like our own name. We'll find weddings. I even love weddings more, especially because I ate, guys. If you watch my Insta story,
jollof fries.
Food, jollof fries. I'm there for the jollof fries. After the makeup, I'm there for the jollof fries. I'm not kidding. I don't even play. When I eat. I don't play. I don't pretend to eat. I eat with my 2 hands. Nobody got time.
Yeah.
Start working, I eat.
You lick your fingers.
Yes.
Very sweet.
Yep. Now I have these glasses I wear in parties, so people will not know it's Beauticianchic.
Oh my god, just for the food.
Yes, just for the food. Not eating,
You just go back to your real face.
Yes. Don't want nobody to be like, oh my god, I know that girl. She's on YouTube.
You know now, they won't even say, oh my god, they will just
say, if you pay, you want to take it for like a month.
10 years.
Yeah, also.
But I don't understand why some people keep their hair 5 months.
I know.
God. Oh.
In real life.
Even it matters so much. It matters your skin complexion. It matters your hair texture. Yeah. Everything is just different. Like,
everything.
I don't know. We can. There's only so much you can do.
No,
that's 19. That's back in.
Oh, the one that changed, isn't it?
Yeah, just changed.
You think you want to marry me now? I think I will marry you.
Oh my god.
God.
Seriously.
I will marry you.
You'll be looking for assurance.
Yes. Prince Harry.
You don't know how many people that want you because they are for some 2 years now. They haven't get married.
Doesn't matter. I'll wait. I'll wait.
I know.
So her name is Chioma.
Yeah, it cannot be. It
cannot just be Chioma.
Oh, chef, her food. When I was there, I went to her Instagram to check the food. Who taught her? No presentation. Everything was be on it on that plate, assorted.
It was presented enough
for the video to assure her.
Yeah.
Everybody now assurance food, assurance makeup, assurance hair.
Maybe I'll change my guys, I'm gonna change my name to my company name to Assured. What?
Anyways,
I used to assure people anyway. I used to give people assurance when they come here. So I can now come and say Assurance.
It's you don't even have to change it because she has the same name like you. So it's
the same. You can just put Chioma. But Assurance has more power than Chioma, so you know.
Yeah, they just type it, they'll find.
So guys, this is plate jar. It's plate. So click. Yep. Then you roll it. This one.
Yeah. So you have to find
maybe what I'll do. Maybe. Let's focus it again.
Let me start feeling this hair.
Elemo hair.
I like it better like this because I'm more of a natural person. I don't really wear that much makeup, so when I do just something tiny, everybody's like, wow, oh yeah, it's me. I was just wearing a mask before.
Oh dear, this is your real face.
This is my real face now. Gradually.
Oh my god, that contact lens suits you. Need to learn, girl.
Contact what?
Yeah, that's her eyes from heaven. Yeah. So this
this is my father's color. It's even more grey than this.
Pop you up for you to have Porsche and have assurance. Oh dear. Let them know. Oh dear. Okay, let's see. This is the use mark. Let's see what L'Oreal can do. Alright guys, L'Oreal. Let's see. Because me, I'm queen of customization. I just mix 2 shades together, guys. I just customize my foundation. You're lucky though, your face is so smooth.
Wow. You put the highlighting primer, so obviously I wasn't born like this. Even though it's not yet my real face, obviously.
Real face is coming up, guys.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Today is the day. I need a limo. I can't walk on. I can't even walk. I need someone to carry me from here to the limo.
But the girl is, they say that this is the day that people need to walk.
Yeah,
the
so
longest
you need to take the bus,
the
you
longest
need to take
one,
the train,
the longest
everything.
road.
Yeah. I hope people can recognize me still.
You know? So you're not going now. Who are you? Sorry, do you live here? Yeah. You know how to do this, you're just pretending.
No, I'm not like your model from the other day. She was slaying. I'm still learning gradually.
You're getting there.
I'll be like, all I know is that I just have to close my eyes and be like,
yes, girl. Yeah. Show them. So let's bake you.
Bake me. I'm cooking now.
Yes. Let's cook you, bake your face, so that when you bring you out from the oven, you'll be cooked.
Yes, I'm cooking.
That's rich. It's real. Just in front of me.
I know.
It's what's it called? Prolonged wear powder.
Okay.
It hasn't got pigment. It hasn't got that orange that
we need for our skin.
Yeah. And it's from MAC as well, but
you are so pro MAC.
Yeah, but it hasn't got that. The other one, Studio Fix, it has that orange. But I don't mind using it to set them later. This is the other one. So let me stain your brows, because your brows is so dark. So I have to stain it with powder. No. You know. God.
What you can do in 1 hour. Maybe, okay, look at you. You do week 1 hour.
Thank you.
We have many years. Like, you can do that in such a short amount of time.
That's right.
But I can't.
Well, you're improving on your braid. Slowly.
It's not every method that works as well.
You don't need nothing. Look, that face is slayed. Yes, guys. Slayed to the gods.
I woke up like this.
Like this.
God, that was so good.
You wake up like this, that would be so cool. And I don't mind.
I think it's very difficult.
Love this shadow though. Oh my god, okay girl.
I think the attitude is coming up.
Yeah.
Coming up gradually.
Okay, so let's do underneath. Shade. Wow. Poppiness is real. Wow. Girl.
I'm practicing for the shoot.
You know. No matter how you do it anyway, I can't believe it. I mean, right from day one, so I don't do a lot of makeup at all, so I don't understand her. That one.
Every now and then, we all do. Just
this one, the cheek first. Cheek.
Should I do the kiss face with the dog face one?
Yeah.
I think it's off focus.
Girl, in fact, if I'm you, I'll do story and I'll tag her. So you're like, girl, don't think.
People buy the hair and they'll think it's because of
Thank you.
oh, she'll have that face. My God.
They don't see. Alright, I need to see slowly, slowly. Let me see you one day. Yeah, I need to see her slowly. Where did you put the camera stuff in it?
Gosh.
Wow.
Okay, I didn't even notice. I was falling asleep.
It's just the lip anyway, so I think I started the lip before the thing also. They seem like me starting it too. Yep. Yeah. Yes, you want to kiss somebody.
That's it. Then I fell asleep.
Oh my god. She was born this way, guys. This late. I think this highlight and I'm loving it. I'm drenching everybody with highlight. Yes, guys, we're gonna spray the face.
So you
Now
can
look at the hair. Yes, Elemo hair. Elemo. How do you call it?
Elemo or Elemo.
Elemo hair, guys.
Anyways,
Yeah.
ELEMO. So Elemo.
So yeah, guys, look. Hair. Yep. So let's show you guys. Yes. Yes, guys. Ooh. Yes. Let's even do the next side. Wait on. Yes, girl. Oh my god, girl.
Okay.
You're popping. You are popping. Yes. So such Elemo hair. Like the people see their hair. Yes, girl. Wow. Okay.
Hey guys, like I told you, this is my real face. This is how I look like when I wake up. It's not a lie. If you want to catch up on more gist, you can come to visit us at thebeauticianchic.com. Book your appointments. We are waiting for you. You get to meet me and I will give you the full gist live and direct. All the juicy stories. Just let us know in the comments below if you want us to make that channel to give you all the juicy details. Ooh, we'll be talking makeup as well there. Let us know. Until then, see you soon.
Oh god. That was...